Welcome to Family Kitchen with Mark. On this channel we're going to be covering meals that can be easily cooked at home. Everybody's so busy with the time constraints these days, so I've prepared my meals that can be replicated in 30 minutes. Now, one of my other passions other than cooking is kayaking, and I never fished before in my life before moving to New Zealand. So also on the channel I'm going to show you some of the fish I catch when I go out kayak fishing, and I'll also included in this channel, although yet to post, I'm going to show you some of the scenery around this lovely region. So this is Wellington Harbour, and this is where I've been living almost for the last close to 10 years. So we're going to do some cooking outside. So we're going to have the camp stove going, and I'm going to cook some fish and other things, and I'm going to show you just what's possible in less than 30 minutes. So subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell, and what that means is any up and coming videos will get posted straight to you, so you won't miss anything.